Hey everybody, just thought I'd stop by here real quickly and bring to you these Fuelworx red fast flow fuel cans. And I don't have the full 100% spectrum. I'm short 1.5 gallons for this stack over here, but I do have 1.5 gallons over here, and I'll show you what that looks like when they're stacked and ready to go. Pretty simple stuff right there, guys. And I need a 2.5 gallon over here to finish up the 2 full sets, and that way, where I've been putting 2 fuel cans in the storage area, now that means I could put 6, which would be 10, 15, that'd be 17 gallons of fuel, where I've been putting less than 12. I've been putting like 10.5 gallons in my storage area. So just to give you an idea, these things really do make a difference in how much fuel you can keep on hand if you're a commercial mower or just around the house. But if you're a commercial mower, or if you're a race car operator or something like that, or for whatever reason, they also have these in diesel, which are yellow. But just think, I could put 6 cans right here on this trailer where I would normally only have 2. So be able to carry 17 gallons of fuel for a race car especially. But let's take you commercial mowers where you've got, I'm just going to use Hustler for example, and Big Dog. If you've got a Hustler Super Z hyperdrive that runs 16 mile an hour, you're going to use a lot of fuel because those things weigh like 1,200 pounds and they hold like 12-15 gallons of gas. These 2 stacks would fill you up, so you could run a whole day off of your 15 gallons most likely, but you could run a second day without having to stop at the fuel companies to fill up. And then when you do, it means every 3rd day would be all you'd have to fill. So that's one of the things I want to show you. And we'll go ahead and put this gas in, pull that cover off, and this time I've got a camera right over here, and I'll stick this in, pull the trigger. Y'all keep up how long it's taking now, would you? That sucker is empty. Now, how long was that? I didn't count. I wished I had. But the gasoline is over full, and I think that's pretty inspirational. So, guys, just want to let you know, you can go to Mass Depot, MassDepot.com, and for everything you purchase at MassDepot.com, especially like these Fuelworx cans that you really do need, be sure and use your MGM. I think I need a haircut. Be sure and use this MGM in the discount code, receive an additional discount, and you get free shipping on everything you purchase there. So be sure and go to Mass Depot, say hello, tell them Max sent you, and pick you up some of these Fuelworx fuel cans. They're Fuelworx red fast flow, and they really do work. You'll really enjoy them. One of the best parts about this fuel can, and you've heard me say it before, there's no fumes. I drew that to their attention, to the manufacturer's attention. These things don't let any fumes out in your shop, man. Let's say you have an enclosed trailer, no fumes. Can you imagine walking into a trailer? It doesn't smell like it's going to blow up. Good idea to have something like this Fuelworx can, and Mass Depot can hook you up. Mass Depot can hook you up with cordless tools. They can hook you up with motorcycle tires, lawnmower tires, ATV, side-by-side tires. You name it, they got a tire for it. Mass Depot is really great people. Shane Smith up there, man, he's running a great operation. And in 4 years, he's grown by giving great service, great prices. And Lindsay May, I want to give a shout out to Lindsay May there. She's my partner in crime there at Mass Depot. And thank you, Lindsay May, for helping us out when you do, and we appreciate it. And be sure and go see Tim Hooper's Fuelworx cans there at Mass Depot. It's definitely going to be worth your effort and your time. So we appreciate you guys stopping by Max's Garage Mahal. Give us a thumbs up if you can. Please like these videos and help us get them out to more and more people. We need more subscribers. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And we thank you very kindly for stopping by Max's Garage Mahal. Y'all come back and see us now, yeah?